Okay. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today, I don't even know why my face cam hasn't showed up, but yeah, I hope you guys see me, but if you guys don't see me, I'm sorry, but yeah. So we're gonna do Arsenal. Yeah. I'm gonna talk a little louder because yeah, and I'm in my sister's account. I will be back when I'm back in my account. Okay, I am back. I am in my account, and I can finally see my face. So let me move my face cam to in this corner over here. Yeah. Let's do some. Let's go down. See the other games. Playing games. I'm just gonna go on my continue playing games. Let's go. Let's do Arsenal. I'm gonna be right back. I just need to get my mouse, and sorry for if there's a lot of cuts in the video, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna pause real quick. Okay, I am back. I have my mouse and my mouse pad. Okay, so let's go on Arsenal. And Justin, if you're watching this, he wants for me to upload a Fortnite. I will do that in a couple weeks, cause the footage crashed, so I have to yeah, Justin. So, and if my hair looks like this, I'm sorry, because I just took out some braids because my mom wants me to like put braids so they won't get tangled at night. I'm gonna be using the computer. Okay, that looks so wrong. Okay, sorry for that. I was trying to show you the computer laptop keyboard, but of course this computer wants to be nice there. I'm coming out of here. Okay, I got new skins because I did some new codes. I don't know why it's not full screen. Full screen on. Okay. I'm trying to move my face cam, but I can't every time I click on it. Okay, finally. Okay, let's go on red because it's the only thing. Monkey business? Oh yeah, every time you kill someone, turn into like monkeys. Bro, my thing is a little laggy. I know these guys are trying to fake being girls. I already know it. Look, they keep doing that. I'm lagging. Because I'm recording, that's why. He's down here. What? Monkey. I haven't played on PC in like a while. Chill out. Oh. I can't even kill one person because it's so laggy. How did what? 4 kills. Why is he so fast? Why is the monkey so... Finally, I kill someone. Like, what? Did I kill him? Oh no. I'm surprised I'm getting kills on this laggy thing. And of course I fall off and lose level. I'm trying to stay on. I don't like those maps. But bros, like, I'm lagging so much. This might be a short video, so might be. You were back, sticking in my heart. There's my system, love my heart's on the girl. I was about to say, but yeah, you walked away. Got me sticking in my heart. I'm not gonna bring down my keyboard just to record a video. So, yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh. The girl. Yeah. One day you walked away. Finally, it loaded in. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my face cam right here. There, you could just see my face. Yeah. Not my whole body cam. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna be done. Bye, because it's glitchy. Bye, guys.